Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to perform swapping between two numbers without using temporary variable. So let's get started. Guys, we have declared two integer variables a and b, and the values of a and b are 10 and 20 respectively. And now guys, in the first step, we are executing this arithmetic instruction. So a equals to a plus b. So the value of a will be 30 and the value of b will be 20. And now guys, in the second step, we are performing the second arithmetic instruction, b equals to a minus b. So the value of a will be 30 and the value of b will be 30 minus 20, 10. So the value of a and b will be 30 and 10 respectively. Now guys, in the third step, we are executing this third instruction, a equals to a minus b. So the value of a will be 20 and the value of b will be 10. So guys, now we can say that the values of a and b has been exchanged. So I think it is enough of theory. Now let's do some hands-on. So let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. Guys, in this program, we are going to perform swapping between two numbers without using temporary variable. So we have declared two integer variables a and b, and now we are taking input from the user with the help of a scanf function for the variable a and b. And now we are going to print these two numbers before swapping with the help of this printf function. And now we are performing swapping operation with the help of these three arithmetic instructions, and after performing these three instructions, numbers will be exchanged, and then we can print these numbers with the help of this printf function. So guys, now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the two numbers. So let me enter the two number. Guys, I have entered two numbers 10 and 20, and it is giving the output as the numbers before swapping are 10 and 20 and the numbers after swapping are 20 and 10. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.